Every single step is preparing you for your next. And so that's what I mean about like, don't panic, just tweak it. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get it. Morning, awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today's topic is don't panic, just tweak it. Okay, happy Monday to you. If you are new here and you don't know what we do, we talk all things premium courses, whether online or face-to-face, as well as how to package your expertise, your experiences into the format of luxury coaching and mentorship programs. If that is something that excites you or intrigues you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. And welcome to Jump First Academy. If you are returning, welcome back. What's going on, IG? I see y'all on as well. All right, let's jump into today's topic. Get right to it. Don't panic, just tweak it. Okay, this goes for anything that you are doing. Specifically, I'm going to apply this to your courses and tell you a little bit about how this affected me, especially when I first got started. So in life, right, if you're not getting results, the results that you want, let's start there. Okay, I need you not to panic. All right, I'm not talking, maybe you are beating yourself up about something that you didn't get to last week or in the last few days. There are goals that you said you would be further along by now. Okay, we know that it's April. I need you not to beat yourself up, not to panic. I need you to just tweak it. Okay, there are things that you know that you are doing or not doing that don't align with the version of yourself that you said you wanted to be, that don't align with the goals that you said you wanted to achieve. So just tweak it. Okay, do something different. All right, we know that your thoughts lead to feelings, feelings lead to behaviors, and actions repeated lead to habits. And so the things that you're thinking over and over again on repeat, just habits. The things that you're doing over and over on repeat, just habits. So we just need to tweak a little things at a time, okay, that are going to get us into new habits, new thought processes, new feeling states, okay, so that we can do stuff differently. The way this applies to courses, I'll tell you real quick, even whatever business you're in, the products and services that you are creating, please don't panic, okay, woosah, and just handle it. And the way that this affected me when I first got started, I had full classes, my courses were full, people were enrolling all around the world. I was super excited. The profit was there, but I was still feeling burnt out. I was feeling tired and I felt like I was on the struggle bus all the time. And it was because of the behind the scenes things. So pro tip for your courses, please understand that as you're enrolling students, as you are building this business, that there are going to be other things on the back end that people don't think about a lot of times. Most people, when they think courses, they think, I got to create the content, right? I got to market the course. I got to get my students enrolled. But then on the back end, you got to teach the course. You got to manage your classrooms, okay? You got to manage the way people, if you have payment plans set up, all of those things. And so, yeah, you can hire that stuff out. But if you're like me, when I first got started, I wanted to keep my profit. Okay, so I was trying to figure out how can I learn how to do this and not just keep the profit, but also understanding the process so that when I did hire it out, there would be nobody that could get over on me, right? Or I would be able to instruct others how I wanted my business to run and to flow, because a lot of the things that I do in my business are unorthodox, okay? They're not typical, they're not normal. And I like it like that. All right. My business is different. It's the way that I want it to run. And so you have to understand, like, there's more to the course. Okay. So I always say, when you're first getting started, I know a lot of course creators are like, I want 100 people in my courses. Please keep in mind, on the back end, there's personalities to manage, there's classrooms to manage, there's payment plans sometimes. Like, so you need to make sure that you are accommodating yourself, okay, as well. Understand this is your business. When I first started, I had to recognize that too. I had some of my students and clients, love them dearly, who would try to tell me how I was supposed to do stuff or what would make them feel better about, how my business was run. And I had to go, wait a minute. This is my business, right? This is how it's going to run. This is how it's going to operate. And this is how I want it to look. And so I'm glad that I stood 10 toes down on that. But the other thing is this, I had to start tweaking the process as I went along, right? Like, it's just, Every single step is preparing you for your next. All right, I'm gonna say that again because that's for somebody today and it's probably for me. Every single step is preparing you for your next. And so that's what I mean about like, don't panic, just tweak it. All of these things you're learning as you go. We are forever learning. My grandmother used to say, as long as you are in the land of the living, you are forever learning, meaning there's always a lesson and something that we're doing. Even if it turns out great, there's still a lesson to be learned. And so as you're going along and building up this business, just learn as you go, as you grow. So from my experience getting started, right, with sometimes enrolling the wrong students, having to manage payment plans and things on the back end, I started to build out like contracts for my courses. All right. And that was a little unorthodox as well. I would have clients come into the program and they're like, I've never seen a contract that I needed to sign for a course. But I started to get wiser about, number one, how I was enrolling my students and clients, the process that they needed that would protect them as well as protect my business, and just doing something different, okay, because of the premium level that I wanted to serve at. I wanted my programs to be different. And so I'm passing that along to you. A lot of my clients and students come in and they go, I've never seen, still to this day, never seen a contract for a course, and I've never seen a contract this awesome and this comprehensive. Can I please imitate it? Okay. And I'm like, yeah, go ahead. Like, please, because learn from my mistakes. I do not want you to make the same mistakes that I made. And so at that premium level, you're going to have clients and students who come to you. They're going to have no problem signing a contract to work with you. Okay. So I need you to like get out of your head and understand that, things as you go, you're just going to tweak it. And I also want to leave this here for you that will make it so much easier for you to step into this place of not panicking when things don't necessarily go the way that you expected them to or want them to, and it's not so easy going. I need you to show up as the version of you who has it handled. So one of the questions that I have my clients ask all the time is, whatever their next level is, we establish that. So it's usually a monetary goal. You can establish your next level however you see fit. But when we talk measurement wise, right, when you come into my programs, the whole point is for you to start scaling your business. And if you don't have a business, then online courses are the easiest way to start a business as well. No overhead, okay, no real expenses. You don't need the equipment, all that stuff. You're teaching from your lived experiences. Shameless plug, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you go to get started. I dropped the links in the description. But a lot of my clients, when they flow through, they're ready to go. And so I just need you to, when we first start, I need you to think this: what is my next level? What is the goal that I'm looking to achieve? And for a lot of them, it's like 6 figures, right? If you're looking to scale your business to 6 figures, some it's 7, some is 8. And so I need you to think from the next version of you. All right, whatever measurement you want to look at, whether it's monetary, financial, or not, if it's something else, cool. As long as you can measure it, I need you to step into, what would that next level me do? And when you start to think about that, it causes you to take a step back and not panic, because next level you already has it handled. Like, period. Okay. You already have it handled. And so if next level you already has it handled because they've already figured it out and they're past the step that you are currently at, then you can just move how you need to move, and it doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be complicated, and you can maintain your peace and serenity to just handle what you need to handle, tweak what you need to tweak, and keep it moving forward. Okay. We all have those moments where we're like, I'm just going to throw in the towel. I'm just going to give up. This is not working clearly. But I need you not to like persist in that feeling state. Okay. Stay in the feeling state of, I already got this handled. I'm already on the other side of this. What would I do having already had it handled? Okay. And just move how you need to move. That's it. I love y'all so much. Again, don't panic. Just tweak it. Okay. If you're not getting the results that you want, or you are not where you thought you would be by now, and you're looking for something different or something to get you there, I'm telling you, courses, especially online courses, the premium ones, okay, that's going to get you where you need to be. That's going to help you start your business and scale it very quickly. All right, I'm talking 6 figures in less than a year. And if you're going, and it's an additional, if you already are making 6 figures, it can grow you to 7 real quick. Okay, just teach what you know. Jumpfirstacademy.org is where you go to get started. Free training over there, resources that will help you start to implement, whether it's free or paid. You decide your pathway to success. I'm also teaching live again this Thursday. Tap the link in bio if you're on IG, and if you are on the YouTube channel, the links are in the description. All right, I love y'all so much. Please have an amazing start to your week, and I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.